In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly's AI features. If you prefer a lighter touch from Grammarly, want fewer on-screen prompts, or simply need more control over what the extension does, this walkthrough will help you quickly adjust those settings right inside Google Chrome. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly extension for Chrome. This will bring up the official result from the Chrome Web Store. Click the Chrome Web Store listing to open Grammarly's extension page. If you already have the extension installed, you'll see that it's added. If you don't, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. This installs the tool so you can access its quick settings. It's a small download and only takes a moment. Next, look at the upper right corner of Chrome for the puzzle piece icon, which is the Extensions menu. Click that to open your list of installed extensions. From that menu, click Grammarly to launch its panel. This opens the Quick Settings view, which is the easiest place to control the AI features without digging through deeper menus. In the Quick Settings panel, take a moment to scroll through the available options. You'll see switches next to the different features. To turn off any AI capability you don't want, click its toggle so it's set to off. These controls typically cover things like proactive suggestions, writing rewrites or generative prompts, tone or clarity enhancements, and other AI-powered assistants. Turning a switch off disables that feature in your browser while leaving the rest of Grammarly working as you prefer. A few tips as you go. Make changes one at a time and try a quick refresh on a page where you write, like an email or a document, to see the effect. If you rely on basic spelling and grammar checks, leave those on and only disable the AI-driven items you don't need. Nothing here is permanent. If you change your mind later, return to the same panel and toggle features back on. Also, after major updates, it's a good idea to revisit this panel to confirm your preferences are still set the way you like. That's all there is to it. You searched for the Grammarly extension, confirmed it's installed, opened the Extensions menu, launched Grammarly's quick settings, and toggled off the AI features you don't want. With these adjustments, you'll keep the tools that help and silence the ones you don't need, all in just a few clicks.